So he has this really, really unique cooking setup where he's built this thing out of bricks. It's pushing 15 years old. You won't believe how effective this is and how many different ways you can cook on. You've got heat sink, you've got sear, you've got high temps, you've got low temps. You can do it all in this setup and it won't break the bank.
Get those cast iron Lowe pans sometimes. Just use them as smoker boxes, and after about the third time, they just turn to rust.
What do the bricks do?
They let me rest stuff on top of it, real solid rest on top of it, and I've already taken it out, but I put coals behind them, which is why I want to get 2 half moons to have a bigger smoke spot. But I put the coals behind it, and then I get indirect smoking and put the flat one in right up at the top. And while I'm smoking everything else, I'm throwing in like bacon and hot dogs and sausage and chicken and just letting it smoke. That smoke ring is that deep. And you know, like today's very still, and you know, I don't have to be too tight with it, but if the wind's doing 10 miles an hour sideways, I have to go around with the rubber mallet and make sure it's all closed, or the smoke will travel.
So it really seals up well.
For the friction, you throw in just a little bit of salt.
You can actually put a lot of salt on these because of the thickness of that meat. You got to envision, it takes a lot of salt to season to the degree that you can taste it on that thick of a piece of meat.
Always remember, meat has 4 sides. And then you'll just salt the bone.
Preheating the pit some.
Any good piece of meat, you want to make sure that you sear the outside and lock in all of that flavor we've been developing all day. So we're going to start with the fat side down. We're going to sear that, and then we'll start working our way around.
Because every steak has how many sides?
Every steak has 4 sides. Nothing worse than one-sided flavor.
This is entirely different. I haven't seen anybody have one of these. We're on a bit too hot.
Yeah.
Blood starting to show through the meat.
But it started out as 2 rings, then it was 3, then it was 4, then it was 5. And actually today when I was doing the cutting down, I was thinking about putting another ring on.
How many have sunk into the ground?
There's one entire course of this below the ground. You can probably see the flames through. That's the vent.
So that's how you get air into it?
Yeah, and then you just hit it with your knee and it closes up.
Now, why are you flipping them?
I'm going to stand them up on end because I don't want them to sear too long against this hot metal. And try to preserve some of that crust that we spent all that effort building.
Number 1, done. We'll just put this in there for size perspective. Oh yeah.
Come and get it.
Quite possibly the best part. So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is a playlist you might just enjoy. I hope you liked it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.